Want to learn how to visit a toy showroom in Shantou and find the best toys? This video is your ultimate guide to exploring Shantou's vibrant toy market. Join us as we take you through the essential steps for a successful showroom visit. From planning your trip and scheduling appointments to navigating a vast selection of toys available, we'll cover everything you need to know, including tips on how to prepare for your visit, what to look for when evaluating toy quality, and how to negotiate with manufacturers. Whether you're a retailer looking to source new products or a buyer interested in unique toy options, our expert advice will help you make the most of your showroom experience. Discover insider tips on how to maximize your time at the showroom, understand market trends, and build relationships with suppliers. We'll also share valuable insights on how to ensure a smooth and profitable buying process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on toy sourcing in international trade. Have questions or need further guidance? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be glad to assist.